Is this the mechanical keyboard that finally bridges the gap between intense gaming and comfortable typing? This NEWNAN 104-key mechanical keyboard with blue switches promises a lot, and honestly, it's got some interesting features that might just deliver. Right out of the box, you notice the ergonomic design. They've put some thought into the keycap sculpting and even included a keyboard shelf, which is a nice touch for keeping your wrists happy during those marathon sessions, whether you're raiding dungeons or crushing deadlines. Now, let's talk about the typing experience. These are blue switches, so you know what that means, that satisfying, audible click with every press. For typists, this can be incredibly rewarding, providing tactile feedback that helps you type faster and more accurately. Gamers will appreciate the NKRO, or N-key rollover. This means that no matter how many keys you mash down simultaneously during a chaotic gaming moment, every single press will be registered. No more missed inputs when you're trying to execute that crucial combo. The inclusion of rich multimedia shortcut keys is another practical element. It's surprisingly convenient to have quick access to volume controls, play-pause, and other media functions right on the keyboard. It streamlines your workflow, making it easier to switch between gaming and managing your music or videos without fumbling around. The overall feel is smooth and responsive, which is exactly what you want from a mechanical keyboard. It genuinely enhances both productivity and gameplay, making it a versatile option for anyone who spends a lot of time at their computer. While it's marketed towards gamers, this keyboard feels perfectly at home in an office environment too. The build quality seems solid, and the black color scheme is classic and understated. It's not overly flashy, which I personally appreciate. It just gets the job done, and it does it well. The combination of the tactile blue switches, the ergonomic considerations, and the NKRO technology makes this a compelling package. It's a keyboard that aims to be your all-in-one solution for both work and play, and for the most part, it hits the mark. So, is it the ultimate mechanical keyboard? It's certainly a strong contender, especially if you value that classic blue switch feel and need reliable performance for both gaming and typing. It offers a comfortable and efficient experience that's hard to beat at this level.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.